to AutoRepair Cloud page. Go to Technical Information section. First, select year, make, model, and trim you need to find. Note that in order to use this function, you will need to download a special extension, and if you want to use Chilton Library, you will need to enter your library card number. This is quite easy to set up. We will show you how to. Go to Configuration, Technical, TechDoc. Press the Install button. After the Store tab opens up, press Add to Chrome and wait until the extension setup is complete. After you install the extension, you may start searching and watching the repair manuals in the Repair Docs section. To use the repair manuals from Chilton Library, you will need to enter the library card number for Chilton and USA only. Enter your library card number, click on the check mark, and wait for synchronizing. After that, go back to the Repair Docs section. Enter the repair description and press Search. You can see all the results of your inquiry and their description. You can also see the preliminary list by clicking on the arrow. Clicking on the link will take you to the source site. It might take a little longer than a minute to open the extension, so please wait until the download is complete. To narrow search results, use the search filter. Selection of a source or a guide type will quickly bring up the results of your search. Thank you for watching our client web portal review. If you think this video is useful, please click the like button and subscribe to see our videos and stay updated.